You're scrolling YouTube. Maybe it's late. Your thumb moving automatically, not really looking for anything. Then a thumbnail stops you cold. How Claude AI earns me $70,000 a month. You've seen him. We've all seen him. And one thought hits you. If they can do it, why can't I? I think most of them are lying. So I'm putting the most popular Claude workflow to the ultimate test. I am using that exact hyped-up method to create the very video you are watching right now. From the initial idea to this final script, Claude has been my co-pilot. In the next few minutes, you and I are going to find out together what's real, what's just hype, and what the AI gurus conveniently leave out. Stay with me because this one gets interesting. So, what is this magic workflow that's supposedly making people rich? After watching dozens, the hyped-up process boils down to a few deceptively simple steps. First, you ask Claude to find you a viral niche. The prompt is usually something like, give me 10 viral faceless YouTube niches with low competition. The AI spits out a list, you pick one, and you're off. Second, you tell Claude to write your script. Feed it a topic, it generates a complete script. The dream is you just read it verbatim. Right, no writing required. Third, you automate the visuals and voice. Take that script, plug it into an AI voice generator, use another AI tool to create video clips, stitch them together, and voila, a full video, created without any human effort. And finally, Claude writes your title, description, and tags. You upload it. You repeat the process. Consistency, they say, is key. It sounds like a turnkey money machine. The question is, does the machine actually work? This is where the rubber meets the road. My first task, use Claude to generate the idea and script for this video. I gave it a prompt. You are a YouTube scriptwriter. Write a script for a video titled, I tried the $70K per month Claude workflow. The concept is a meta-experiment where I used an AI workflow to create the video itself, testing hype versus reality. What came back will surprise you. It was structured, coherent, grammatically perfect. It hit all the key points. On paper, it was fine. But it had no soul. The tone was generic. It sounded like a corporate training video. It was missing a human voice, my voice. And this is the first major truth the hype merchants skip. AI is a powerful starting point, but it is not a finisher. It gave me a fantastic skeleton, a blueprint that saved me hours of outlining, but I had to be the one to put meat on the bones. I spent real time rewriting sections, injecting personality, rephrasing sentences to sound like something a real person would actually say. The script you're hearing right now is probably 60% my own writing, built on top of a 40% AI-generated foundation. It wasn't copy and paste. It was a collaboration. With the script locked, next came production. And this is where the automated dream really starts to fall apart. Titles and thumbnails. I asked Claude for 10 click-worthy titles. Genuinely helpful. Great brainstorming partner. Voiceover. I could have used an AI voice. I chose to use my own. Why? Because authenticity is a differentiator on YouTube. Viewers are becoming allergic to that robotic, monotonous tone. It instantly signals low-effort content. Then came the visuals. The dream is to have AI generate B-roll for your whole script. I tested a few of these tools. They are impressive, but they are not perfect. They often misunderstand nuance. They generate bizarre, uncanny valley visuals. Assembling a visually engaging story still requires a human eye. Every single clip in this video, chosen and placed by me. Here's the truth. The automated editor is still largely a fantasy for quality content. Real editing, pacing, sound design, and storytelling is a craft skill. AI cannot yet replicate the craft of a good editor. So, after all of that, what's the verdict? Is the $70K a month Claude workflow real? The short answer is no. The idea that you can simply prompt your way to a massive passive income is a myth designed to sell you a dream. The workflow, as advertised, is deeply misleading. It skips over the most critical parts: creative direction, quality control, and building an authentic connection with an audience. Could this workflow make you any money? Maybe, but the content it produces is often generic and soulless. It's what people are starting to call AI slop. And YouTube ultimately rewards quality and authenticity, not just value. And there's something more important here. Bold income claims carry real risk. Promising a system will make someone a specific income when most people earn little or nothing is exactly the kind of hype that regulators are watching. That $70,000 figure is an extreme outlier, not a typical result. So what is the real value of Claude? It is not a money machine. It is an efficiency engine. It dramatically speeds up the grunt work, research, drafting, optimization. It probably cut my scripting time in half. But it was a tool, an assistant, not the creator. If the hype is fake, what's the system that actually works? Here is the realistic workflow I've developed. Step 1. Idea research and validation. Use Claude to find trending topics in your niche, but also find outlier videos from small channels that performed exceptionally well. Your human job is to analyze why they worked and find an angle you can own. Step 2. Structured outline creation. Ask Claude to create a detailed outline. Tell it your target audience. Tell it the key points you want to hit. This plan is more valuable than a first draft. Step 3. AI-assisted script drafting. Now you ask Claude for a draft, but be specific. Write in a conversational tone. Use simple language. You are the director. Step 4. The human rewrite. Non-negotiable. Read the AI draft and rewrite it in your voice. Add your personality. Add your stories. This is what separates quality content from AI slop. Step 5. Production. Use AI as a brainstorming partner for titles. Record your own voiceover. Assemble your visuals with a critical eye. Edit with intention. Step 6. Optimization and repurposing. Use Claude to help optimize your description. Then ask it to repurpose your script into shorts, tweets, or blog posts. One video, multiple formats. This workflow is not passive, but it is incredibly efficient. It treats AI as a powerful intern, not the CEO. In the end, this video is the proof. You've watched it. You've heard the story. Does this feel like something churned out by a robot? Or does it feel like something a real person made with the help of some very powerful tools? You get to be the judge. Let me know in the comments, based on the final product, how well did this AI workflow actually perform? The real opportunity with AI isn't to replace yourself, it's to augment yourself, to build a better, faster, and more consistent creative process. If you want more real-world tests where I put AI hype to the test and show you what actually works, subscribe. Small creators run on your support. Thank you for watching.